What's the meaning of all or nothing? All or nothing. All or nothing. All or nothing. All or nothing. All or nothing.
The term all or nothing refers to a situation in which there are only two possible outcomes, complete success or total failure. It implies that there is no middle ground or compromise. In such a scenario, it is either you get everything you desire or nothing at all. This type of approach can be seen in various aspects of life, from personal relationships to business dealings. The all-or-nothing mentality can lead to high risk-taking behavior and can result in extreme outcomes, both positive and negative.